This bird didn't fear humans, and that trust would slowly destroy it. In the early 1600s, on a distant island called Mauritius, a bird lived a quiet and harmless life. Its name was the dodo. It could not fly, it could not run fast, and it never learned how to protect itself. For thousands of years, nothing hunted the dodo. Nothing threatened it. So when humans finally arrived, the dodo did not run. It did not hide. It trusted them. That trust was a mistake. Humans hunted the dodo for food, and without knowing it, they brought rats and pigs to the island. Those animals destroyed the dodo's eggs again and again, until nothing was left. In less than a human lifetime, an entire species disappeared. The last dodo was seen around 1681. The dodo did not lose a war. It did not lose to nature. It was lost because it trusted humans. And by the time people realized what they had done, it was already too late.